Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My dear friends, I have ordered these pieces from Amazon, my favorite website, and I'm going to organize my makeup and jewelry. So I have ordered these and also candle book. So this one has the slit in here, and that's where I attach, and there are slits, 4 of the, just like this picture, so they're all settled in here like this. And then it has 4 of these, 1, and this is another part like this, and it also has the slits. Small triangles, which are these. There are 16 of these, and they are to secure the ends of these shells. So once you add these according to the level, then secure the edges here so they are locked. So dear friends, this is the area which I really need to organize. I have things in my pouches, my cosmetic, and some of my lotions and creams and samples. And so this is why I needed these organizers. So this is the before look, and let's see how I will organize things and make it look better. Have all of this left. All my lipsticks are here, and my lip liner. Hello friends, look at this. I'm all done, and above all, I have cleared so many of the pouches which were lying here. This one is for travel size and my traveling stuff. This one is for my regular stuff with my hair accessories in it, and some samples for day-to-day, and this one is also for my daily cup and everything like this. And look at this, this is all garbage I'm gonna throw away. These are all the pouches which are emptied. Share and like this video, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Take care till next time, and thank you for supporting. Goodbye.